This is how to make a smooth zoom in Premiere Pro. So to create a smooth zoom, you need to go to Effects and search Transform, and then apply the effect to the video. Now in Effects Controls, move to a point where you want to zoom in, and then click on the stopwatch next to Position and Scale to create a keyframe. Now move forward and change the scale and position of your video. Now if you want to make multiple zooms, then move forward, create keyframes for scale and position, then move forward again and change the scale and position values. And I'm gonna do this one more time. And this is how it looks. Now to add some motion blur to it, to make it smoother, we can set the shutter angle to 360. And it looks already way better now. And to smoothen out the animation even more, we can select all the keyframes, then right click on one of them, go to temporal interpolation, ease in, and then select ease out. And the zoom is now almost perfect. Now for some more advanced settings, you want to click on this arrow next to position and scale. And you will now see the speed graph of the zoom. Now to apply the same graph to all of our scale keyframes, we need to click on scale. And you will see that all the scale keyframes will get highlighted. Now zoom into the keyframes a bit, but make sure you keep the same zoom level throughout the following steps. Now you want to go to this graph and then drag the right handle to the center. But make sure you don't move it up or down, since that will mess up the animation. And you can press Ctrl and C to undo it. So just move it sideways to the center. Now move the playhead so it aligns with this blue handle, and if it doesn't align perfectly, you might need to zoom out a bit. And then click on position and then align the same right handle to the playhead, so it aligns the same way as the scale keyframe. And this is how it looks. And you can also do the same process with the left handle. Simply align the playhead with the handle and then align it with the position keyframes. And this is the final result. To learn more about Premiere, click on the video on screen right now. Now see you there.